Welcome to the Young Artist Award 2025, our 5th edition. Just like in previous year, our talented finalists have advanced through 3 exciting and competitive stages. This year, under the theme Inspire a Sustainable Innovative Future, students are challenged to address environmental issues through creativity, innovation, and sustainable practices. Round 1 focuses on being a responsible individual, practicing the 7 R's of sustainability to make mindful and eco-friendly choices. Here, students learn to practice conscious consumption, reduce waste, and conserve resources, building the foundation for a more eco-friendly future. Moving on to round 2. Students step up into the role of a creator, learning how to upcycle waste into something new and innovative. Finally, in round 3, students take on the role as a change maker, applying their creativity and ideas to lead initiatives for a better, more sustainable future. After exploring the themes across all 3 rounds, we are thrilled to take our students to Splash Mania at Gamuda Cove, where nature meets fun. With 70% of the park surrounded by green spaces and equipped with eco and solar innovations, we hope to inspire our young artists to see how creativity and design thinking can help build a smarter, more sustainable future. Let's go! Wow, what an incredible experience today. I've learned a few new things myself. Now it's time for the next exciting part where we will be meeting some very important people. Come on, let's go! Welcome! Thank you for joining us this year. I'm excited for what you're about to see. This year, creativity is on another level.
The Ministry of Education is honoured to collaborate with Faber-Castell in nurturing students' potential through the arts. The Young Artist Award does more than showcase talent. It builds critical thinking, confidence, and creative problem-solving skills that prepare students for the future.
Over the years, I've seen the creativity of our young artists grow tremendously. What excites me most is how their work has evolved from playful expressions into meaningful pieces with strong message and social awareness. They are not just creating art, they are telling powerful stories, showing both imagination and a deep understanding of the world around them. It's inspiring to see their potential for the future.
These skills go far beyond art, where the children become artists, scientists, or leaders. The ability to think creatively, solve problems, and communicate effectively is invaluable. The Young Artist Award nurtures confident, adaptable individuals, giving them a head start to thrive in the future.
Art is more than just making something beautiful. It's about telling your story and sharing your vision of the future. Think about how your ideas can bring kindness, sustainability, and innovation to the world. Let your imagination lead the way. Remember, the most powerful artworks are the ones that carry a message and your unique voice. I can't wait to see your amazing creations. Good luck!
Once again, the response from students and parents alike presented itself in our numbers this year, with more than 150,000 entries received, marking another year of record-breaking success and support. This further solidifies the Young Artist Award status as the nation's largest colouring contest. To all our young artists, thank you for being part of this journey. Your creativity, passion and courage have brought this team to life in many ways we could never imagine. We are so proud of you. And remember, you are all stars in our eyes.